doing today? Let me change this music over real quick. Cool. Good stuff, chat. Good stuff. Positive vibes only here. Positive vibes only, huh? How's everyone doing? Atomic Habit, what's good? Crypto Maniac, how are you all doing? Please, let me fix my hair. What the fuck? Crazy. Yo, what's good? What's good, Nicola? What's good? Nicola, Didzy, Morgan, how are you all doing? Sorasit, good morning. Like the stream chat, how are you all doing today on this fine morning? Hopefully you're all good. Hopefully you are all good. We have some volume driving us here on gold at the minute. So we have a 30-minute close in how long? 50 seconds. 50 seconds. What's good, Jan? Full power lad, what's good? Ric Flair drip goes back. Yeah, it does go hard. So the issue with this closure here is that we have closed. It's way high. It's just like shock to me. Yeah, we've tapped into the level that we needed to tap into already. So as we discussed the other day, I can't take that since we filled the range already. So we're gonna have to wait for a closure back above that level. Now, obviously the lines are already on here, but let me do my full analysis for you real quick. I just wanted to show you why I wasn't taking that 30-minute closure for a second. But yeah, so the weekly is pushing up. Now, can the weekly flip? I don't know, but we discussed on the call yesterday that the weekly might close weak bearish. And yeah, that would be an indication of the continuation upwards. That's very possible for me. The daily as well closed above the level that we were looking at, right? Or no, closed right at it, apologies. We were looking for the daily to close above this level here. Closed right at it, so maybe even that's an indication that we aren't ready to come back up yet. But this daily now has grabbed a bottom wick and it's continuing to push. So we can take buys here for sure, but if this daily starts to flip and break the lows, then the sells are very valid too. Now, the 4-hour closes in at 1.5 hours. The interesting thing about this is we are now tapping into another level here. So if we are going to reject, this is the place we're going to do it, right? We're going to tapping into another level right here. We either need to close above this level to come into the next range, or we are going to start to reject and come back down. But if we do start to close above this level on the 4-hour, then it's going to get interesting. It's going to get interesting. Let me turn this music on. Yeah, that should be good. Cool. Yeah, that should be interesting. Now, the 1 hour. What are we looking for on the 1 hour? Well, as you probably just saw, we have a decent level over here at, where was it? It was 23.48, I believe. But then again, there's also another level, if we zoom in a little bit, down here at, where are we? 23.45. Just a little bit above that, actually, 23.46.4. Any closures above there should bring us up, bring us up to the top of the range. We can use this break-even point right here at 23.48 as a as our break-even point, right? This rejection level here. In terms of a continuation upwards, we're looking to target the top of this range up here at 23.65 at least. To be honest, if we do start to close above here, especially on the 4, you would expect us to fill up to the top of that range. Every time we've closed up here, we've done it on the 4. So yeah, you can expect that to happen for sure. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. In terms of sells, what would we need? We'd probably need below this area here at 23.27. Yeah, anything below there is good for sells for me. That's pretty clean. I can't lie, that's clean range down there. So anything below 23.27 is going to be our sells for today. That is going to be range 2, because range 1 will probably be somewhere around here at 23.35. Anyway, buys above are going to be up here and up here. So yeah, pretty simple analysis today, chat. I'm not going to lie. Once we do start to get these closures above, then we should be good. I don't know if you guys saw this candle just now, but the volume was super weird. Just a random, extremely bullish candle, and then yeah, very strange. But we'll wait and see, chat. We've got 27 minutes to the next closure, which is an important one, so we'll lock in for that. And yeah, that's the analysis for today. If you did enjoy the analysis, if you got some education out of it, then feel free to drop a like today. It's Friday, obviously. We're going to finish off the week strong. Stay disciplined, all that good stuff. We've grown ridiculously over the week in terms of the streams and everything, which I'm very grateful for. Time to just lock in, wait for some closure and see what happens, right? See what happens. Morning, Craig. What's good? All in one. Is it CPI news today? Yeah, later today in New York session is CPI. Yeah. So the market might be hovering around for that potentially, but yeah, we'll see. Renato, how you doing? Good morning. Peter, what's good? Good morning, bro. Hello from Hungary, Budapest. Crazy. One sec, chat, my bad. Great, cool. Chat, bringing big stuff to you soon as well. I've got a lot of stuff organizing right now. It's gonna be crazy. JF, what's good, bro? What's good? Chris Roy, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Exclamation mark ribeye steak is crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, so much potential here now. Today, I mean, so much potential. We're not gonna force anything, obviously, since it's Friday, but yesterday we obviously took another dub on stream. 22 pipperoos. What we're looking at in terms of the journal here. We're sitting at 30 wins, 5 break-evens, 3 losses overall so far since halfway through February. Not too bad. Win rate is going up. Pretty excited about it. But yeah, good shit, chat. Good shit. Did anyone take anything else yesterday? Anyone get any more trades in New York? I know you guys can't put the charts away. I know you didn't stop trading just after London. I know you didn't do that. What did you catch? Chat, I deadlifted for the first time yesterday as well. Got a poll up. Get a poll up. How do you cook your steak? Medium rare is the right answer. Medium is unacceptable. Medium well or well. People get banned by yours truly. I don't think I can do it. Oh yeah, you can. All right, let's do it. How do you have your steak cooked? Rare. Medium rare. I have a friend who has it blue, which means they just like sear it on the edge and then it's still like blue in the middle. Medium. Medium well. I only add 4 options, otherwise I would have put a few more, but I lost 3k on I lost 3k on Don's stream, lol, never really take other people's trades, but gave it a go. Made it back this morning on buys. Yeah, well done, bro. You made it back. Good stuff. That should be a lesson to you, man. If you don't understand other people's trades, don't take them, for sure. Including mine. Only 3 days following you, I made $366. Thanks a lot. You teach me a lot. Hey, let's go, Chris. Let's go. Appreciate it. I'm glad that it's going that well for you. Medium rare looks to be the main consensus at the moment. Medium rare is an okay option, yeah. Eugene just runs into the field and bites the cow. That sounds more like Tyler, I can't lie. Let's see though, chat. Can we push up and close above here in 22 minutes? There's definitely potential. Definitely potential. If we can start to close above there, that'd be great. Tyler eats the farmer. What do you mean okay option? What do you mean? What do you mean? Pizza, no way you have well done. I bet you do as well. I bet you do. That's crazy. I've had carpaccio, which is thinly cut. Yeah, carpaccio is good. So is Tata. Capetrio and Tata are both good. How do you eat your steak? Rare mostly. Rare or medium rare. Big ass bottle, what the hell? What the hell? That new camera coming this weekend. Very, very excited. Gonna film some crispy content for you guys. Crispy, crispy content. Well done, you eat a tire. It's okay sometimes to have your steak fully cooked. Yeah, maybe. I need to send the zoom out again, I forgot, my bad. The classic. Every single day I forget to send the zoom out. Every single day. Let me send that out right now. Yeah, all good, Adam. Every time I see your name in, I think about the zoom because you're always in there. That's why. My guy got banned. Who got banned? Oh, what? A crypto minute timed him out for 10 seconds. Yeah. D Slater, you know the answer for that one, brother. You know the answer. Buy TP1, TP2. What? If you're in the position now? I'm here. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Renato, where's your position from? If you're asking that, or are you asking what mine would be if we get buys above here? So there's two different questions, right? Look a big this morning. Set up for the trade last night, and my alarm didn't go off, and trade went how I thought. It's not an L then. Your analysis played out. You just weren't there to catch it. You'll be there to catch it another time. Definitely, right? So as long as your analysis played out, that's a win. Take it for yourself. No FOMO, right? You weren't up to trade, so who cares, right? Who cares about that? If you weren't there to take the trade, and then, you know, it played out, then it's not your fault, right? You weren't on the charts. You can't get, like, this is why you have to set specific times that you're going to trade and not trade, because if you set specific times where you trade, then you can't get FOMO for stuff like that. I remember thinking, oh, I got to set up overnight, and if I would have stayed awake, I would have caught it. But then, you know, that's not how it works. You need to give yourself a set time that you're going to trade, and then if there's a setup that forms outside of that, even if you see it, you don't take it, because then that means that you never miss anything, right? For example, I'm on the charts from 8 AM until, well, 11 or 12, 11, let's say, my time. So that's 3 hours in the morning. Then I go to the gym and I come back and trade from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So that's another 2 hours. So essentially, yeah, if there's a trade set up outside that time, then I don't take it. Let's see the chat. I didn't want to take any positions now because realistically your advantage point is only like, what are we looking at right now for an advantage point? Yeah, 26 pips. I suppose it's not too bad. I'd rather wait for the buys above and catch that there. Closure above here should take us upwards. Pretty big level here though, chat. Like, I don't know, we've rejected off this point quite a few times, so yeah, we'll see. But you see all these wick rejections here, 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 here. Shows me that it's quite a strong level right now. Should stream NY session. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. other issue I see, chat, is that like we've tapped into this level already, so at any given point we could just reject again. As long as until we close above here, there's not much I can take. Because like we saw the other day, when you tap into a level, if you don't close above it, there's no confirmation that you're going to come back up to that to above that level, you know. But we'll see, chat. We'll see. Also, it's Friday, right? We've had a winning week. I'm not going to try and force anything just now. And yeah, we'll wait and see. But how's everyone's week been so far? Are you positive? Are you, you know, you're up, you're down, break even? Did you stick to your... Most importantly, did you stick to your plan, right? That's the main thing. Did you stick to your plan? Malenko, what's good? I like my steak, congratulations. Yeah, well done. I like it, I like it. Morning, boys, let's get some bread. What's good, KLD? What's good, what's good? Yeah, let's get some bread, for sure. Yeah, definitely stick to my plan and took one break-even trade. See? GG. I know you might, you know, be thinking you didn't get much, but you stuck to your plan, right? That's GG's for sure. Oh, that's tough. What are all the different premiums you have? I have one-on-one coaching, which is like I'll teach you from the beginning to the end how to trade. That's literally one-to-one, right? So we get in Zoom every single week, like 3 times a week, and do that. And then the coaching group, essentially we get in a call every single night at 8 p.m, discuss people's trades, people's psychology. I'll run you through the trades that I took, and that also includes signals, right? So yeah, there's those are the two that I have. Nath A, what's good? Someone explain what exactly is a break even. Yeah, when nothing's won, nothing's lost, right? So your trade gained $0 or 0 pips, let's say. How was your experience doing the pod, SG? Yeah, great. It was a very nice experience, right? Very nice experience, very interesting. We were able to, yeah. I mean, if you guys watched the pod yet, if you haven't, I'll send it in. If you guys haven't watched my podcast with ACG yet, definitely go and watch that. It was a really fun experience, and let's show them, you know, what our community is like. We need to prove to them that we have the best community. So go and drop a comment under there for sure. Go and drop a comment, drop a like.
It's such a, you know, wholesome community.
Whoa. So that's me talking. I don't know if you heard that. But yeah, I'm gonna put this here. Go watch the pod after stream if you can. Leave a comment. Something positive, obviously. But yeah. Cool, I'm gonna end this poll right now. Medium rare was the go-to answer for the steak. Let me pin this there real quick. There you are. That's the pod. Cool. What's your top 5 music artists? I don't think I have a top 5. I don't know. I've got absolutely no clue actually, bro. How do you identify an OB? I don't trade order blocks, so I don't know. You have to find someone who trades whatever it is, SMC or ICT or whatever that is. Yeah, you have to find someone for that first. Let's see the chat. Can we close above up here? Can we close above? Aniket, what's good? Hello, how are you? Welcome back. I'm in a trade right now. Good stuff. Hopefully it goes well for you. Hopefully it does. We're going to wait for this 30-minute closure here, which is also the 1 hour closure at 11:19. Is there any trade? Not yet. We have to wait for the closures first, my boy. Wait for these closures, be patient, and then, yeah, we'll be good. Set a buy stop and left. By the time I came back, I'm in. Good stuff. Well, yeah, like I said, I hope it goes well. Yeah, chat, look at this. Here we are on the ACG pod. Go watch this if you haven't already.
There's no, I don't get any backlash or anything like that, and the ability to help people out like that.
Good pod. It's a good pod. It's definitely informative, I do believe. So yeah, go watch that if you can after stream. But yeah, I'll plug that a little bit later as well when we have some more people in here. Definitely a potential here though, chat. 10 minutes to the closure. If we can close above, that would be great. That would be very, very good. If we could close above here. But let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. Again, like I said, Friday, end of the week. We're not trying to force any positions or grab anything that, you know, we don't need to. We're gonna stay disciplined, continue the streak hopefully, and yeah, lock it in a little bit. $23.46.86. Yeah, above there, we're looking for buys. Yeah, any closures above there. So if we do close above that level, then yes. If we don't, we could reject at any given point, just like this, right? We rejected here, 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 here. Can we get a big holiday trade today? Is it a holiday today? What holiday is it? Or you want to pay for a holiday with the trade? Is that what you mean? Yeah, we hit 1.88k subs this morning though, so that's huge. Appreciate you all very much. We're very close to 2k subs. Now, if you remember, I said that we would give away a load of funded accounts if we hit 2k by the end of April. That means we've got 2 more days to hit it. We need 100, 2 more stream days, that is, Monday and Tuesday. So we need 100 subs each day, and then I'll give away some funded accounts. Definitely possible, but might be a little bit tough. You guys got to run it up there. You guys got to run it up. Volume seems to have died off a little bit here, chat. I don't like how it sort of tapped into this area again and started to reject. So we're obviously going to wait here. We don't want to be doing anything stupid right now. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes though, chat. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, if you are new here, make sure you drop a like, drop a sub as well. Fastest growing community in trading. I'd actually say that's true. Actually, it might not be. I don't want to make a claim that's not true, but I can't think of another faster one. Just this new. Okay, cool, chat. We're coming up to test this area again. Are we going to close above or are we going to reject here? Let's see. Let's see. Stops would not be too bad either. Stops are probably going to be below the hourly low. It's going to get... Oh, okay. Maybe they are a little bit bad. Jesus. Maybe they are a little bit bad, chat. We can try and use the 30 lows, potentially, depending on how the wick forms. We'll use the 30 lows. Hourly low is a little bit safer, though, I can't lie. What if it closes no top wick? If it closes no top wick, then there's no trade. And there's a possibility that we reject here and just continue to push down. So because of that, you know, yeah, we have to wait and see. We have to wait and see. You know what I mean, chat? Big rejection here. But yeah, guys, listen, I hope all your trading's been going well this week, this month. It's coming to the end of April right now. So the question is as well, how does the monthly candle close? We're not going to get that monthly flip, I don't think. Well, we might do, but that monthly flip would have been crazy. I can't lie. That would have been ridiculous. I have no clue what would have happened if we did that. Good, Eugene. But yeah, stay disciplined. Finish off the month strong. Always important, right? Finish off the month strong. Yeah, we're looking at only one loss in April. And that loss was actually only 6 pips. So essentially flawless streak so far. But yeah, we'll see. We're going to continue the push. Stay locked in for May. May is a good month. We'll stay locked in, and yeah, we'll keep pushing. I want to see weekly flip. Yeah, I was looking at that, Jules. What's good, by the way? But yeah, I was looking at that, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure it can happen. To be honest, I mean, it could. We need to push. I think it's like what, 300 pips or something in the last day. Nearly 500 pips in 13 hours. I suppose news could do it. It's very possible. Yeah, anything can happen. You're right. You're right. You're right. Let's see though. Can we get a closure above it, chat? That'd be great. W month for you, bro. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. W month for the whole community, for the whole team Trendlines. Big W. Been growing like crazy. The Discord's always active, which is great. Everyone's leveling up too. I see so many people getting better at their trading. Really good to see. Really good to see. Trendline's OP in the chat, guys. yeah. 1 and 90 pip trade today. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. GG's. Caught 20 pips this morning, but only closed 50%. Yeah, that's all good. All good, man. Taking partials is fine. I like it. 23.57 to 23.59. Okay, yeah, I got you. You added an extra 0. I was gonna say that's a pretty high price. But nice, bro. Nice. Tommy Zhang, what's good? Good morning, bro. How are you? Now, let's try to get to 50 likes if we can. That'd be great. That'd be absolutely great. Futures, yeah, I feel you. Yeah, I thought so. I was gonna say the numbers were a little bit higher. So yeah, it's basically 23.47 to 23. Yeah, I got you. Nice, bro. GG's. What's the euro doing? Wow, that's actually pretty clean. Closed out the level there. We're going to wait and see here, chat. We're going to stay on longer today, as always, right? The volume's been coming in at around, like, you know, what, 11-ish, 10:30-ish, something like that. So we'll stick on for that. And yeah. Very nice W tweet. Which one? Which one? Oh, yeah. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, chat. Run up the Twitter, by the way. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna put some links in right now. I'm trying to run up my TikTok and my Twitter, so go follow both of those. Put that in real quick, if I can. Drop a like if you haven't already as well, chat. Let's try and run up the likes. Go follow that. And yeah, the X is what Eugene's just about to send in. There you are. Fire. Appreciate it. Chat, go follow those. I'm going to be doing a lot of shit on there. I'm basically responding to every question on every platform, actually, but mainly TikTok and Twitter as well. So go follow me on them. Trying to drop some wisdom too. And yeah, appreciate it. Appreciate it. The growth is going to be crazy, though. I mean, it already is, but only the beginning, right? Only the beginning. 30 seconds to this hourly closure here, chat. It looks like we're not going to close above, I can't lie. The level is actually here, right? But yeah, we're still not going to close above it. Which is a little bit tough. Not much I can do. Not much I can do there. But we'll wait for a 30 closure if we don't close above here right now. Not a problem. Not a problem for us. But look, chat, there's nothing I can take right here, right now, because this could just be a, you know, a rejection zone. For example, you see how we've rejected. I do believe we'll come up for the day, but at this point we've rejected here, here. Wicks rejected here, and Wicks here, and this area here, right? So taking buys right now, even when we close below this area, is a little bit difficult, right? For example, you know, we could take buys and just get caught in this liquidity and then be stuck in the flip down, which we don't want to get. We don't want to get involved in that. So we'll wait. We'll stay patient, and yeah, catch the play when it forms, right? Same as we've done every single day. Morning, I'm good, bro. Working, that's why I'm a little late in your stream, but I'm tuning in for sure. Yeah, all good, man. Appreciate you. Welcome. Well, not welcome, but you know what I mean. You're always welcome to just work and chill, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, see, chat, I thought this might happen. So, like, we're pushing up here right now, which is okay. The issue is, this candle at any given point right now can flip. Exactly like these ones have done here, right? It's the exact same closures. So we got to be careful here. See? That sort of thing could happen. So we need to wait for at least a 30-minute closure here before we get in a trade up at this level. Bro, what's your thoughts on this level 2343.93? Up here? 2343.9. Oh yeah. It's more like, well, it depends if you're looking for sales. If you're looking for sales below there, then I wouldn't really. But yeah, if that was your buy level, I mean, it's not too bad. 2344 flat is what it is basically, but I wouldn't have taken it just because of these rejection areas here. You know, it's just not my trade. But I don't suppose it's invalid. I don't think it is. I feel like more liquidity is needed if we are bullish. Yeah, I feel like that too. I have a very strong feeling that we flip down here on this 30-minute candle, chat. No FOMO here though, chat. Absolutely no FOMO. It is what it is, right? It absolutely is what it is. The other thing too right now is if we close somewhere around this area, it's going to give us way better stops than if we would have used the hourly, right? It's going to give us 50 pip stops or even 70 pips, 68 pip stops. Whereas if we used the previous hourly, that would have been 120 pips, which is a bit nuts. I can't lie. Can't lie. Seems like a price in for CPI. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. When you trade futures, do you do your analysis on the Oanda chart and then take it on the MGC, or do you do analysis on MGC? Bro, nah, I just do my analysis on Oanda because, firstly, I mean, price action's okay, but yeah, the 4-hour closures are different. I don't like that. And yeah, sometimes it can get gappy, like up here. So, like, I don't really like that either, and like this sort of stuff. So, yeah, I just trade it. I just mark it up on good old-fashioned Oanda chart. I was in a pineapple on New York session low, close BE. If I held, I would have been 400 pips. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, my boy. Should have, could have, would have. You closed for a reason, right? When you were in that trade, PCE today, not CPI. Oh, that is CPI, bro. That is CPI. Core price index. See? And consumer sentiment too at 3 o'clock. But yeah, cool chat. So that's coming later. That should give us some decent volume. Is any specific time frame or days where the market are more active and give momentum? I don't think so. I don't believe in all that stuff. I don't believe in the whole don't trade certain days or whatever. I just think the market does what it wants when it wants. Realistically, like I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't even look at it, to be honest. It's not worth it. Good victory settings. How we doing? Good was good. Yeah, I was happy to close BE. The old me would have held. Yeah, no, exactly. But that's good. Because you could be saying to me right now, like, think about this. You could have just come into chat right now and said, oh, SG, I got back to break even on my position, but now I'm down 400 pips. I should have closed. You know? Could have gone either way. So, you know, just be glad you closed break even. You didn't take a loss. And yeah, you took the risk off the table, which is the important thing. Especially if you had pineapples, you were probably quite risked up, right? You're probably quite risked up. Yeah. What's good though, Sammy? How you doing? Good morning. See chat? See exactly what I said? Exactly what I said, right? We're mirroring the same price action. So if we flip down here, obviously we can continue to drive. I can't take the trade, but I'm not necessarily saying that we will reject here and flip down. I'm just saying we need to wait for a closure before taking anything right now. Let's see if we can look somewhere for sales a little bit closer to price. Shop City a little bit, I can't lie. Yeah, this area is not too bad for sales. To be honest, we'll have to wait and see. I have to wait and see. You read my mind, Eugene. Yeah, coffee time. I've actually got mine today as well. Coffee and a sparkling water, as always, chat. Start the morning right. Always got to start off the morning right. Hydration and energy. To be fair, I don't advise coffee in the morning, I can't lie. But recently I've been doing it on stream and it seems to be okay. So yeah, I never really drink coffee in the morning normally, but lack of sleep. Not really lack of sleep, but I've been more busy, so I need to grab that energy. The water and well done steak disgust me. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. Crazy. One of my boys just messaged me. He's in Australia right now. He just messaged me saying, mate, I bought a camper van and been roaming around Australia. That's kind of crazy. That sounds sick. Look at GJ. I don't trade GJ, unfortunately, bro. I don't trade GJ. What's it doing there? Is it just ripping? gbpjpy, let's see. Leave a like if you haven't already, by the... Whoa. Oh, that's a bit of was there news? I'm sure there was JPY news, but that was earlier. Yeah, that was earlier. Crazy. Seems to be a bit of Bank of Japan manipulation, eh? Unreal. Is that 200 pips? Or is that 20 pips? I don't trade GJ. Unreal, though. Might be a bit of BOJ manipulation. Just caught 54 pippies. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. GG's. That's why I stopped trading GJ. BOJ be sneaky. Yeah, bro, 100%. The Bank of Japan is nuts. They just I don't know. I feel like they just manipulate it freely. I don't know. It's really weird. But yeah, that stuff used to happen all the time. I remember it. I remember one time I was in a sell on GJ, and then the Bank of Japan did the I closed before it, and then they did the manipulation. I would have been up like 200, 300 pips. But yeah, intervention. Yeah, you're right. What's good, Thomas? Oh, what's good, Lone Trader? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. $140 pips? GG's, bro. GG's. Crazy. Yeah, Pippies is crazy, by the way, Berge. I can't lie. Like that guy, the chicken burger guy who says chippies. That guy's so funny. Yeah, pepperonis is good. I like a good pepperonis. That's the best one, I think. Right, let's see here, though. We got, what, 19 minutes to this 30-minute closure. We started to reject very heavily off this area like we predicted, right? Exactly why we didn't take that trade, right? Exactly why we didn't take it. That's killed me. Yeah. Do you think natural gas storages creates volume in gold? Saw it on Thursday morning. I don't know, man. I don't know. I've got absolutely no clue. I've never looked at it. I can't lie. Never looked at it. Chicken burger. Yeah. Bro, that guy's so funny. I just came. What we buying? What's good, Doruk? Welcome. We're not buying anything yet. We need to wait for some closures, but we're looking at gold, as always. DK, what's good, brother? How we doing? How have you been? Crazy, chat. Crazy. But yeah, a lot of potential for today, chat. If we can start to make some good closures, then we should be good. I do believe the daily can continue upwards here. If we start to get some flips and all that stuff, or if we start to reject, then we'll look at changing that bias. But at the minute, we discussed this yesterday on the group call. If the daily can close, or the weekly, sorry, can close weak bearish, I feel like it might close weak bearish, and that would be a very good closure for us to continue up in continue this bullish trend. It would sort of be a liquidity grab for the continuation. Otherwise, I don't know why we would start to reject like this. You know, if we wanted to push down, we would have kept pushing, especially after this daily closed below everything else. Right, once these dailies closed below everything else, this was the indication that if we were going to push down, it was going to happen, right? It was going to happen at this point. But now that we've closed below, there seems to be a fake out on the daily time frame. As long as we close above 23.34 today, ideally above 23.44 as well. If we close above there, then that's a pretty clear fake out to continue upwards, which we'll look to take advantage of. Got my daily 2 pips, and that's a Raptor NY. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. GG's. Pradeep, what's up? What's good? Yeah, leave a like if you haven't already. Can we try to get to 75 likes? That'd be crazy. Be much appreciated. What's good, Bob? What's good? Welcome. Yeah, chat. If you see the link in the pinned comment up here that I've got at the top, that is my ACG podcast. So my podcast with the Alpha Capital Group came out yesterday. Make sure you go watch that. It's very good, I think. Well, I'm happy with how it went. It's very informative, and yeah, go drop a comment, all that good stuff. Go show some support. We need to show them that we're a community that's not to be messed with, right? Or not to be messed with, but a community that, you know, is the real deal, let's say. So go drop some support on that. That'd be much appreciated. And yeah. Huge. Huge. Let me change this. W cool pod, that part. What part? What part? I swear I said something sus at the end. I can't remember, but I think I did. Crazy. But yeah, no, it was a good pod. And I'm grateful for the experience. Grateful for Alpha Capital 2. Yeah. So don't mess with us. Yeah, nah. That's sus. I'm 1 million brokers ever on 100 pips. So guys, sub faster and break that sub button. Give everyone 100 pips, you know. I'll give you 100 pips with a 0.01 lot. How about that? In fact, that's still $10 for free. To all of you as well. And I'd be at 1 million as well. So I'd have to give away $10 million. If we hit 1 million by this year, then I'll do it, yeah. Is 23.43 a solid stop loss? Not really. Realistically, I'd be looking, if we closed above right now on the hourly, yeah, you could use the 23.44.9, like below this 1 hour low, but we'd have to close above first. But if we close above on the 30 minutes, you'd probably have to use down here at 23.43. Yeah, I suppose it's not too bad actually, you're right. Or yeah, even a little bit further, but yeah, that's not bad. Oh, you're on a 5 minute time frame, by the way. Yeah, no, maybe it's all right. If it's in your plan, then take that, right? I mean, it's below the 5 minute structure if you're trading the 5, which is, you know, I don't trade the 5 minute, but if you are, then yeah, it's below structure, I suppose. Let's see here though, chat. Let's see. $15 about to flip. Yeah. Bit of a rejection here, chat. I can't lie. As we discussed, right? Exactly how we discussed. We're starting to mirror these moves up here. All of these moves that we spoke about, we're starting to mirror them. So the question is, if we are going to come down and retrace here, can we take advantage of that and grab some sells? I think, to be honest, anywhere below 23.43.5 should be good for us to get sells if we flip on this 1 hour and then close below. Should we move it down here, actually? Yeah, that's a little bit better for me, actually, I think. Yeah, cool. Because then that'd be a mirror of the move, of all these moves to the downside, right? Even when we were bullish coming up, we rejected off this level quite hard and filled the range back down. So are we going to look to do that again? Maybe. And if we do, let's take advantage of that, right? So we'll look for sells below here. And then what we can do is we can just get rid of this real quick. We'll drop down like this. But yeah, I do believe anything above here should be good. Yeah, perfect. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. Crazy. I trade scalping usually, so 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute quick 20-30 pip trades. Yeah, now all good. If that works for you, then good. If that works for you, then great. It's all about finding a strategy that suits your trading style and how, you know, how your brain works and everything. So yeah. 15-minute close above the 1 hour resistance. Yeah, it doesn't matter though. It doesn't matter. If it's a 1 hour resistance, then a 1 hour has to close above that, right? For example, people ask me this a lot, and that's actually a good question, so I'm glad you asked. But yeah, let's say that we have our levels done on the hourly, right? We need an hourly closure above that level to take a trade then, if that is the hourly level. If you drop down to the 30, you have to change the levels and adjust them to work for the 30-minute before you can take the 30-minute closure. For example, you see that now we have an area above here on the 30, we'd have to push that up, etc., right? So depending on what time frame you did the levels on, that's the closure you can take. So if you wanted to take a 15-minute closure, you would need to mark up your levels on the 15 and according to the 15 resistances and all of that stuff. But I do run through how I do that in my free course on the YouTube if you want to watch that. It's like one of the first episodes. Yeah, and what are we training today? Is it leg day? If you are training. I don't think you train on Fridays, do you? Oh shit, yeah, I forgot about that. Can we train legs? Nice explanation, simplified, and I like it. Yeah, good stuff. No, I appreciate that. I'm glad that it helped for you. Got trim at 10:45. Yeah, all good. Legaroonies, please. Then working at 2. All good. Yeah, we'll fit something in. I'll give you a message. I thought you didn't work Fridays, or did you just change it? I don't know. Anyway, it's fine. Good shit, chat. Yeah, leave a like if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. We're gonna wait for some closures here. We've got 9 minutes till the 30 is gonna close. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get you some positions. I deeply respect people like you. Free education and content. Thanks, mate. No, I appreciate that. Welcome to the community. And yeah, no, there's trying to provide as much value as possible, guys. But I appreciate all of your support more than anything. You guys are the real goats coming in and supporting every single day. That's the that's the biggest thing. It wouldn't be possible without all of you guys. So I really, really do appreciate that. Also, chat, I know there's a lot of new people coming in around this time, so I'm just gonna say join the Discord if you haven't already. The Discord community is rapidly growing, and the education and all of that stuff in there is unreal. To be honest, it's unreal. Everyone's helping each other out. I always come into the Discord like after not being on for a few hours, and people are answering each other's questions, helping each other out, all that good stuff. It's really nice to see. Really, really nice to see. Completely free, by the way, this Discord. Got Mr. Boat Monday. Oh yeah, crazy. Yeah, you're going to Lil Yachty. That's sick, bro. Forgot about that. Oh, that'll be fun. That'll definitely be fun. I didn't even post a stream on Instagram today. I forgot about that. But chat, see what I mean? We've started to reject here exactly how I discussed. So could this be an indication that we've tapped into the level to continue downwards? Funnily enough, I believe we tapped into almost the exact same point here on this 30-minute candle right here. That's interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's see. So there's some potential here, chat, in six minutes. See if we can grab the sells to fill back down to the range. Oh, it's pushing. Let's see though. Let's see. I think euro just hit 0.5 on hourly. What's 0.5? Is that a fib thing or? I don't know. Anyway, we're pushing down here, chat, exactly as we mentioned. Now, can we grab the trade? Let's see. Our advantage point is what at the minute? Suppose this is our advantage point at 23.42 flat. That gives us 20 odd pips. Not too bad, I'd say. Need the correct formation though, chat. We'll need this to close exactly as it is, and then a bottom wick to come down. A top wick, sorry, to come down. Gives us a 26 pip range to fill down. Stops are looking at 60 pips, not too bad. We'll see though, chat. We have to wait and see here. I have to wait and see what happens. Obviously, we are quite heavily bullish, so we'll be taking a trade against the bias, which is fine. But in order to be able to do that, we need everything to form correctly. So we're going to stay patient here. But I'll be on for longer today, so, you know, not a problem. Not a problem. If we have to wait a little bit for something to be formed, then we'll wait a little bit. That's not an issue. But yeah, guys, we'll stay locked in the whole session. I'll try and get something for you. If we don't get anything, we're not going to force it. It's Friday. It is what it is, right? Absolutely is what it is. Grabbed a lot of liquidity though to the upside. A lot. But yeah, chat, any questions? Anything you want to know about trading, anything like that, feel free to drop it in chat. That's what I'm here for, right? I'm here to try and help you guys out, give you guys a bit of a boost in your learning process. If you have anything you want to know, fire away. Fire away. I believe next week should be a big week, right? Obviously, we have the monthly closure coming in halfway through the week, which is always weird, right? It'll be on like a Wednesday in the new monthly candle. That means that the weekly will still be open, but the monthly will be closed. But there should be some decent price action next week, I believe. Stay subbed, all that good stuff. Straight drop Fendi Puma gang. That's a crazy name. I need a mentor. Can you please help me, bro? Yeah, I'm here. We stream every day, right? Every single day. So if you want free mentorship, then come to the stream every day. Join the Discord. If you want to join my group or the one-on-ones, then feel free to join that. But obviously, that's a bit more. That's a costing option, right? How do you feel about trading news? I don't trade news ever. Never. It's just a gamble in my opinion, because even when news comes out a certain way, for example, if news comes out positive for the US dollar, right, gold should push down. Sometimes it just doesn't, you know? So even if you get your fundamentals right, it's a bit of a gamble still, in my opinion. News is for the desperate. Yeah, I agree. It's just a little bit, it's a little bit difficult, I can't lie. I don't see the point. It's a bit scary to me. I've never actually done it. I think actually that's a lie. I think I did it once on like a $20 account. Oh no, I didn't. I tried to, because I had $20 left in a random broker that I didn't want to, you know, transfer. So I tried to pop a 0.1 lot, but on news it wouldn't even let me pop it. So I've never actually traded news. That looks like we might close bullish here though. which is interesting. So essentially, we're just waiting for some closures here. Reframe news is for the desperate and the rich. Yeah, that's the thing. So you have to understand that the hedge funds get it earlier than you do, right? So even if you're trying to see what the outcome of news was and then get on that wave, the hedge funds have already know what the news is going to come out as, and then they place their positions accordingly, and they're already in and out by the time you're even in, which is crazy. But they have, Bloomberg terminals and all that stuff, which are connected to super crazy fast internet, and they get their data within like milliseconds, right? Like ridiculously fast. So yeah, they're getting everything before you do. Things got out of hand in the kitchen. I got a coffee and a tin of tuna. That's crazy. You're gonna combine them? Seen that guy on Instagram, chat? He makes like he makes like the craziest gym meals. They're like oh bro, I need to find, I don't know what his name is, I can't remember, but he makes like the most disgusting combinations of just like protein food. Oh, I don't know what his name is. Half the tuna is in the coffee. Oh my days. Yeah, that's grim. That is grim. So chat, the 30-minute closed here, respecting the level again. Nothing I can do right now. I'm gonna have to wait for a 1 hour closure here. Hopefully the 1 hour can close above this level right now. If it can, that'd be great. It would be rather good. Rather splendid. If we can close above, that'd be yeah, real nice. The 1 hour level is actually a little bit lower, so we'll move our level down a little bit. Any closure above here should be good. We should get a wick fill. We need just a bottom wick and a flip up though. But yeah, we do have to close above, obviously. Obviously. It's a good song, actually. Tuna and chicken soup used to be my thing. I can kind of see how that'd be alright, you know. Like the saltiness can, but I can kind of see it. When is the next video coming up on the course? Good question. It'll be either today or tomorrow, the next episode, and then I need to film some more over the weekend. But yeah. What time is it for you? It's 4:30 a.m. here in Boston, Massachusetts. Boston. Crazy. Welcome. That's mad that you're from Boston. I like it. I like it. It's 9:30 a.m. in the morning for me right now. So you're, what, 5 hours behind me? Crazy. What are you doing up so late, man? But no, I appreciate it. Appreciate you coming to the stream, even though it's so late. Would you take the fake out now? Yeah, potentially. We were looking at it, but it's a bit interesting. Chat, we closed at the level on the 30, so I've moved the level since now, right? But you might be thinking, wow, this looks good or whatever, but the level on the 30 was a little bit higher. So don't get any FOMO. This is the hourly level that I'm now looking at. So we didn't actually have any entries. We're still below. Where are you from in all capitals? I'm from United Kingdom. I'm from England, more specifically. Good old Great Britain. Soon to be from a tropical land. I don't know which tropical land yet, but one of them. Absolutely one of them. What's good, Baron? How we doing? What's good? What's good? Late as usual. 27 minutes disclosure now, chat. SG lives at Windsor Castle. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'd love to live at Windsor Castle. Wow. Why do you want to be in a tropical land? Because it's tropical, innit? I don't know. Nice weather. Vibes. I can trade from wherever I want, right? I can trade from the moon if it had good enough Wi-Fi. So, you know. Yeah. That's why, to be honest. That is why. Ever been to Ibiza. No, I actually haven't. I've got friends that have been there, but no, I haven't. Yeah, but cool chat. I've got also a day in the life video coming out. Probably. I don't know if it's gonna be this weekend, because I've got about 3 hours of footage to edit from yesterday. Spent the whole day filming. Well, no, it was the day before actually. Spent the whole day filming my day in the life. It should be a fun video, to be honest. I did a crazy little. Oh yeah, I did a mic'd up workout, Sam Sulek style, right? So literally just I'm working out, chatting to you guys with the mic on my thing. I think that could be good. Could be really cool, you know. Hopefully you enjoy it. But yeah, lots of stuff coming. Lots of stuff coming. I'm good. Had great BE full TP trade this morning. Oh yeah, I saw that. Did it hit your break even and then hit TP? That's tough. I saw that there. Cool chat. We're closing. Well, not closing. We're coming above here. We seem to be staying. The 30 minutes sort of, you know, hovering a little bit though, which is interesting. I believe the volume will pick up in a little bit, so stay locked in. Drop a like, all that good stuff. All that good stuff. But yeah, how's everyone finishing off the week? Hopefully you're all you know, in profit, break even. If you took a loss this week, or if you're overall in a losing week, then I would say don't worry about it. Try and figure out what went wrong, if anything did go wrong. Christ, that was terrible grammar. If anything went wrong, then yeah, try and figure out what happened. If it didn't, and you stuck to your plan, and you just took an L unluckily, then yeah, it's what it is, right? And we move on. Try and forget it, and get ready to attack next week, or today as well. Nah, Baron, I saw that break even. You went break even at the right point, bro. You went break even right at the level. Right, we tapped into the major level overall. Then it hit your break even. Then it continued. I saw it. That was a good break even, bro. Don't stress yourself out. It was a good break even. I would have been break even by that point because of the tap into the level. So don't stress about it. Probably would have closed full as well. But that trade just wasn't for me. I can't lie. And the reason why is because I knew that we'd rejected that level. So I was pretty sure that, you know, we'd either get break even or whatever. I've been trying to catch EU buys for like 8 trading days now. Hopefully yesterday's entry at the lows goes well. Are you trying to swing trade it? What you getting down here? Crazy if you did. Like, that's a nice little onion if you got in down here. You should be good there, especially if you close above this level here now at 107.530. You should be chilling, bro. This year has been awesome though. Good stuff, good stuff. I'm glad. I'm very, very glad. Positive vibes only in the chat, right? Always. Always. Team Trendlines is always just positive vibes. I absolutely love it. We always come in and here and, you know, everyone's being wholesome. Unlike some other communities, man. Been getting hate from a few people that say they're not toxic, which is ridiculous. But yeah, we actually mean it when we say it, which is good. I love this community so much. The best community out there. I'm very, very certain of that. Very, very certain of that. You guys are killing it right now. D Pavel's Trades. What's good, bro? Welcome. What do you think of the price action this week? I think it's been good. I think the price action's been very nice. We've been getting clean entries. I think the only thing that was not clear probably was these closures below down here. I feel like a lot of people probably got caught in sells down at this point. I was very wary that, you know, at any given point we could reject around these areas, and we ended up doing exactly that, right? So yeah, that was the only thing that people probably could have got caught out on. But we seem to be having a fake out here. If we close above this level, then that would be a very clear fake out. But what could also happen, obviously there's a lot of time left in the day today. If this, obviously this is probably a bit of a long shot, but if this daily does then come and flip down like this, you'd be looking at like a little celery play almost, right? You'd be respecting this overall level over here, and you'd be flipping down. It's possible, and that would mean that it's not a fake out and we have a celery play to come down. But once we start making higher time frame closures up here, like for example, the 4-hour close is in 20 minutes. Obviously, that's a very strong indication once we close up here that we're going to continue upwards, right? We're closing into the new 4-hour range. Let me just delete this quickly. We're looking at the 4-hour range between, I would say, you know, here and here at least. If not, then obviously you have the overall range between here and here. Yeah, once we close back up into this range, then we should be good to continue upwards, I'd say. That makes sense, chat? Hopefully it does. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Drop a like if you haven't already. Like 75 likes. Question for me moving forward is, will the DXY continue sending it? I never look at the DXY. I can't lie. I never ever look at it. Oh yeah. So okay. So if the DXY, you know, keeps pumping down, maybe I need to start implementing this. Maybe. Yeah. If we start to continue downwards, then gold should push up, right? I think that's how it works. But yeah, I don't really look at that too much if I'm truly honest. I like to keep it simple in my trading, personally. But each to their own. Maybe it's something that we can look to implement for sure. See if we can push up here, chat. Nice strong bullish closure. Bottom wick and a flip would be muy bien. Rather excellent, eh? A cool chat. It's our pleasure that we are your subscribers. Such a kind guy. You become one of my idols. I appreciate that, my boy. That's a very nice text. That's a very nice message. I appreciate that very, very much, bro. Direct options. Yeah. Direct opposites. Yeah, they're inversely correlated, right? My boys from some of my boys from that I've known since school, since I was like, you know, 4 or 5 or whatever. I've just discovered my podcast. They're like, what? They're like, Jukes, you're on a podcast? What? Funny as, because they're not traders either, so they had no clue. That's the interesting thing about trading, right? Like, obviously, at some point, it seems like this is all there is to life, but realistically, we're just part of a very small niche. People outside of it have no clue who anyone is, anyone's name, whatever it is. So, yeah. 4-hour close for sure. Don't like this. Why don't you like the 4-hour close? What's wrong with it? Tell me what's wrong with it for you. That's so true. Yeah, exactly, Spion. Exactly. There's bigger fish in the ocean, right? Like, everyone gets so involved in like toxicity and all that stuff, but realistically, I'm just trying to live life. I don't really care about like the trading beef. I'm just trying to build a community with you guys, build our own little family, and yeah, everyone outside of trading doesn't know who anyone is anyway. That's the crazy thing. This hourly price action is like the weekly on gold. Yeah, exactly. It is. It is crazy. It actually is. That's interesting. You're right. Let's see if we can close above here, chat, there. In 17 minutes. It'll be a 4-hour close, which will be nice. A strong confirmation. Bottom wick. Flipperoonie. Classic bread and butter SG play. And yeah. Trading beef is crazy because it doesn't make you money. Yeah, bro, you have to understand that some people have some people don't have the same mindset as you, right? Or you or me, right? I don't care. I'm staying at, like, I would never start anything. I don't care. If I don't like someone, especially also, I think it's a very British thing to just, like, you know, stay in your own lane, not cool, not say like stuff to random people or whatever. It's a very British thing, and the way I was raised and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna do my own thing. It's a waste of energy to think or talk about other people. But some people just have too much time on their hands, right? And they're Some people are filled with jealousy. It's interesting. How you hitting from outside the club? You can't even get in. I love that song. I used to love that song when I was a kid. I need to play that actually. That's a good idea. Oh wait, whoa. How you hit from outside the club? You can't even get in. Fire. Morning SG, just hit the gym. 4 hours looking good. Yes. What's good, Dan? Welcome back. Good morning. Hopefully the gym was good. Yeah, 4 hour looks nice. 4 hour looks nice for us, I think. Should have a decent bit of range on the 4 hour. If we close above here, realistically, we should be able to target at least 23.52, 23.56, 23.57, right? How much do you risk percentage on prop firm accounts? 1%, brother, always. But welcome, Nadir. Welcome. Yeah, 1%. What? Do you mean what got you in the gym? Yeah, what got you in the gym? Yeah, no, all good. I would say what got me in the gym was, to be honest, I had like a breakup, obviously, but that wasn't the main reason. But that kind of led to a period of self-evaluation, self-reflection, all that sort of stuff. It wasn't really heartbreak, but I just looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, you know, not really who I want to be right now. You know, I was overweight, I was drinking a lot. Like, I was at uni, so obviously I was just a normal student. Like, I wasn't an alcoholic or whatever, but you know what I mean? Partying a lot and, you know, eating shit food. And then, no, I just looked at myself, I was like, I don't really want this to be my life. And made a change about it, right? And then once you start doing it, once you get like, I don't know, a couple of months in, even a couple of years, even a year in or so, it becomes addictive. It becomes fun rather than anything. Like, realistically, I could not think about not training right now. If I have like a couple of days off the gym, then it's not good. I don't feel good at all. But yeah. What lot size would you use on a 50k funded? What's good, Joe? Welcome back. I use fixed lots, right? So I use like percentage risk. So I change my lot size depending on whatever it is to risk $500 on a 50k, for example. But if I wanted to use a specific lot size, if you want to use fixed lots, that's okay. What I would say is look at your journal, determine what your average stop loss size is. If it's 50 pips, then you can use a 1 lot. If it's like you know, if your stop loss isn't on average like 100 pips, then you got to use a 0.5 lot. And then yeah, if it's obviously just change it to what your average stops are. Probably a 1 lot is okay. That's what I'd say. Where would your stop loss be on this trade? That's a good question. Depends how big the bottom wick is, but we could realistically use the hourly stops for 50 pips, but 4 hour stops are going to be the safest, but they are going to be big stops, right? It's going to be 160 pips. I'm not too interested in taking that. I don't want to take 160 pip stops. That's quite big. We close above this minor level here on the 1, then we'll use hourly stops. So we use the hourly stop loss below this area here. So like 23.43. You influence me to go to the gym every day, brother. Bro. That makes me happy to hear. That makes me happy to hear. See, this community, whatever trading community, is so focused on health as well. Like, realistically, I'm trying to get you guys to level up your entire life, not just your trading. Because who cares about trading if you're fat and overweight, or if you know, are sad and whatever. You know, you got to have it all. You have to have it all. And that's what we're trying to do over here. So I'm glad. I'm glad that you guys, you know, you get that opportunity. That makes me very happy. What's up, bro? I found your channel a couple months ago, but I was in the shadow, didn't chat much. Right now, I'm down a little bit on a funded, but it's all good. Need to be sharp in mind. Can't let a few L's define me. Brother. W mindset. That's an absolute winning mindset. I love that. Good stuff. Yeah, got to be sharp in the mind. Always, always, always. Your balance should not affect your trading. And you're absolutely right. You can't let a few L's define you. It doesn't mean you're a bad trader at all. And it doesn't mean anything, to be honest. Lock in, focus on the strategy, focus on the plan, keep your journal, and yeah, try and get 1% better every day at your trading, and then you'll get there. You'll get there. You're the English Tony Robbins. I don't know too much about Tony Robbins, you know. I'll take it. He's very rich and very, so I'll take it. I think more like probably Alex Hormozy maybe. I don't really know much about him either. They're all like the guru type shit, but I mean Alex Hormozy's jacked and focuses on, you know, helping people make money too, I think. So yeah. Haven't even said anything in chat yet. Been watching since the start. Let you down. Nah, bro. Nah. All good. You don't have to chat. As long as you pull up to the stream, leave a like, and, you know, get some value out of it. Realistically, that's the most important thing. Tony Robbins, question mark, I'm dying. He's, bro. I don't know. I think he's alright. Right, Tony Robbins. As long as you're saying I don't look, as long as you're not saying I look like him. Actually, I don't know. He's decently alright looking. What does he do? What's his thing? American author and coach. Oh yeah, business strategist. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. SG, you know what I like more than the materialistic things? Knowledge. And outside here in my new Lamborghini. Classic Ty Lopez. That guy is a scammer, no? I'm pretty sure he is. Anyway. Play a video of that guy and listen to his voice. No, I know. Yeah, Tony Robbins' voice is crazy. That goes back to like the Vanos days. I saw they used to chat about him bare. I don't even chat much. It's about the knowledge I'm taking in, and of course the pixel letters grind. Yeah, bro. No, I'm not, bro. Yeah, there's no worries, guys. If you don't chat in chat, then that's fine. If you're focused and locked in and trying to learn and all that stuff, then yeah. If you have a question, then send it in. But realistically, none of this matters. I'm 178 centimeters tall and 92 weight. I think I should cut my weight first. It depends, brother. It depends. If you want, hit me up. I'll put you on a training plan. It depends what your body composition is and all that stuff. What I'd say is go onto a calorie calculator online and figure out what your maintenance calories is, and just eat that and then train in the gym. Like, you know, lift heavy weights and all that stuff. Do a little bit of cardio, and then you're going to put on muscle at the same time as losing fat. It's called body recomposition. Especially if you're newer to the gym, it's very easy to do, right? You can eat at your maintenance level calories, and and then start training weights heavily, and then you'll lose fat and gain muscle at the same time. It's exactly what I did. I like it. I like it, to be honest. It's the best way to move, I think. You don't want to cut down and then just be skinny, and then you have to build muscle. I don't know. Jan says always bulk first, but it's difficult if you're if you're looking in the mirror and you hate the way you look and you think you're overweight. That's tough. Emil, what's good? Hey bro, good morning. I have a buy from 23.45. Hold or go out. Depends what your strategy is, and it depends what your target was when you got in the trade, but I'd probably be break even right now if I was you, because your buy is essentially at the bottom of this previous candle. You can either close and expect the 4 hour to come down and make a bottom wick, or you can close partials, go break even, and try and hold it, because if this 4 hour makes a bottom wick and you survive it and then flip up, you've got a lot of room up here. Will it come back to 23.30 from here? Firstly, welcome. I love Trolley Trout. I don't know. It could do. It could do. It also might not. 23.30 is quite hard though. That's quite far down. Quite far down. Where's Tyler? I miss his yapping. Yeah, he's probably sat in an ice bath right now. I can't lie. Bro's probably sat freezing his nuts off in an ice bath. Talking of knowledge, mate, get a load of this. Ancora Imparo, said by none other than Michelangelo at age 88 a few weeks before his death. In English, I'm still learning. Yeah, that's fire. I love the Michelangelo stuff. Very into Italian, like, I don't know, culture, let's say. Art, culture, literature, all that stuff. Yeah, the app Food, if you want to control your weight, or MyFitnessPal is what I use. Men, bro, I did not say that. Don't try and don't do that to me. Gym is the best for traders. It releases our tensions in our body and mind and gives us discipline. Yeah, I mentioned this in my new in the day in the life vlog that I'm coming out. I did a little heart to heart with you guys to the camera. Yeah, it's huge. It's huge for traders. It really is a game changer. Really, really is. I can't lie. eurjpy is retesting the 0.5 fib. Nice. Yeah, leave a like if you can. Let's try to get to 100 likes today. Why not? Why not? We hit it the other day. The other day we hit 200 likes, chat. How crazy is that? On stream, 200 likes was nuts. Yeah, that was crazy. I have to give it to you guys for that one. Big support. But yeah, drop a like. We've got 4 minutes disclosure now, chat. Let's see if we can close strongly bullish, get a bottom wick, and continue the flip up. That'd be a real nice trade. I'll be happy with that for sure. I'll be happy taking that, I mean. Let's see, though. Let's see. We're starting to reject here. If we reject, and yeah, it's not going to be ideal, but we'll have to see how the 4 hour wants to open. Are you streaming every day? Yes. Good question. Yes, every day. So Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. UK time we start. So we started about an hour and a half ago. But yeah, every single day we stream a London session. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and well, you know, come to the stream every day. If you come to the stream every single day, ask questions, and you know, genuinely take notes, then you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn. Genuinely, I'd say that's the fastest way to learn. But yeah, I mean, ask the people that have been here since the start. That's what I'd say. You know, a lot of people have been here for a couple of months now, and they yeah, they're improving a lot, I think. Well, there's big improvements. So yeah, very good. What's your Euro perspective? Much appreciated, as always. Euro, I think we need to close above this level up here, and then we continue upwards. This is a rejection area though, so if you're in buyers, maybe think about taking partials. But once you close above that level up there, you should be good to continue upwards. The daily looks like it wants to too. But yeah, I think you should be okay, especially if the daily closes above and the weekly above 107.420. That'd be nice. Yes, sir, you can learn a lot if you want. Yeah, 100%. You have to want it, though. That's a good point to be on. You have to want it. You don't want, like, if you don't, you know, put the effort in, you're not going to learn. Just by turning up and, like, having it in the background, it's not going to work. We're all going to get big trades and lifts. Yeah, 100%. Big trades, big lifts. Chat, I hit a 180 kg deadlift yesterday. My first time ever deadlifting. So, I know it's not huge, but I'm happy with that. We'll try and get it up, maybe. Hi, you just said, let's see how the candle opens. Can you explain what you actually look for at candle opening? Yeah, so for example, if we're in buys right now, we're going to look for a bottom wick first to be grabbing that liquidity from the downside. So let's say, you know, we start to come down like this. We need a bottom wick first, and then once we get the flip, we'll be in the trade. So essentially, the bottom wick is going to indicate a liquidity grab for us. If we come up without that bottom wick, we know that most of the time that candle is going to reflip and grab some liquidity first. So we have to wait for it. If it happens first, it's ideal. If it doesn't, then it's a bit tough. Let's see if we actually close above this level, though, chat. We seem to be rejecting here. The 30 minutes now just flipped. Interesting. Interesting. No worries, Patty. No worries. Good question. I like it. I like it. I always like people coming in and asking questions. It's good. In the trade chat? No, not in a trade. If we were in a trade, you'll see that thing. but we're not. That's fantastic, bro. Well done. No, I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know. I never ever deadlifted before, so I was like, you know, well, no, we were filming a video with another influencer, and I was like, why not just jump in? I mean, it was a grinder, but I mean, the guys around me are pulling up like, you know, 260s, 280s, like it was nothing. So I don't know. First in the trade message of the day. Let's go. yeah. Is that a 15-minute fake out? Yeah, potentially. It's a 30-minute fake out if we close below. Question is though, like 4 hours closing above and quite strongly bullish, right? So it's going to be a little bit difficult for us. But if we close like we do now, bottom wick and a flip, I'll be okay to take that on the 4 hour for the wick fill. 4 hour stops is a little bit tough though, chat. I can't lie. I would rather us close above the... So, for example, this level that we have here on the 1 is the 1 hour level. But the 4 hour level is actually probably down here, right, that we needed to close above. So we're still closing above the 4 hour level and can continue upwards. But if we take it off the 4 hour level, what that means is that we need to use 4 hour stops. And that's like 132 pips, which I'm not the biggest fan of, I can't lie. But let's see here, chat. 1 second, sorry, to the close. 4 hour and 1 hour closed above, which is nice. Can we grab a bottom wick first? Lock it in here a little bit, chat. It looks like we came up first, but not too much. Let's see what we do here. See what we do. Can we push down? Need to grab a decent bottom wick here. Where would we be looking at? Somewhere around this area down here at 23.45 would be ideal for the bottom wick. 23.45.4-ish, I believe, is the area we need for a bottom wick. So that should be decent. If we can grab that. I'm looking at to sort of mirror this closure right here. I think essentially this is the price action that we've just formed. So let's see. Starting to come down here, which is nice. Lock it in a little bit here though, chat. If we do flip here and drive, then unfortunately there's nothing I can do. We are going to have to wait for more liquidity to be grabbed. 42 would be sweet. Yeah, that'd be ideal, but that's a bit far. I mean, to be fair, it's a 4 hour close, so it's possible. We have just flipped up here though, chat. So, no FOMO, but we could realistically drive here. We could realistically drive. So, if we do, there's absolutely nothing I can do here. I can't take the trade, chat. Yeah, tough. Looks like a pixel that is pattern to me. Nah, maybe. We'll see. We're going to wait for a few more closures because... Oh, yeah, that's not ideal. That's not ideal, chat. See, the thing is, right, we're looking for this the flip to take the advantage of this wick. Now, if we come up and fill this wick, it's going to be very difficult. There still is some room in the wick, so if we come down now, grab a bottom wick, then that's okay. But if we if we come all the way, then it's a little bit difficult. But yeah, chat, still potential for the daily. We'll stay on a little bit longer. I've got time, right? I've got time, so we'll stay on for we can even wait for some more closures back above, say, let's say this level here at where are we looking? 23.49. Any closures above there as well can take us up, but at the minute I can't take anything because of the way that we opened on this candle. Does that make sense, chat? It's okay, Sam will stream till 4 PM. Yeah, I got you. When I start to focus on learning about trading, my family and my friends start mocking me and not trust me that I can do this. All of that makes me on fire, and I want to show them that I can do this. Yeah, exactly, brother. That's your motivation now. You found what you found what turns on that spark in your head, that fire, as you said. You know, that's your motivation. So yeah, use that, lock in, prove them wrong. My family did the same, right? Well, no, they didn't do the same. They never mocked me or anything, but I'm pretty sure in the back of their mind, they always thought, like, what is he doing? He's gambling and all this shit. You just got to prove them wrong, and now they don't say anything, obviously. But yeah, everyone has their why, right? So if you've just found your why, which is huge. Some people never find their why, and that's very difficult, right? You've just found your why, which is very important in this game. Now you can lock in, stay motivated. Every time you think you don't want to do work, or every time you're feeling like being lazy and not going to the gym or not getting on the charts or whatever it is, think about that and yeah, lock in. Pushing here, chat, pushing. Yeah, no FOMO. Unfortunately, there's nothing I could do there. Especially because, chat, there's no off-the-rip entry because we were rejecting on the 30-minute, right? We had some heavy rejections here, so there was no way I could take that entry off the rip. Absolutely no way, unfortunately. But it is what it is, chat. Listen, no FOMO, no problem. Camo Digger, what's good? See Geordie telling you off for asking it for him buys. I see that, I see that. I only asked, that's crazy. Nah, good stuff. I think after so many bullish closures, we need a retracement for our bottom wick and some bearish closures before forming a new support level. Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, realistically, we need a closure above 23.49 now. And the reason for that is we filled the range already without a bottom wick. You guys might be thinking, you know, oh, he just keeps moving up his levels and all that stuff or whatever, but there's nothing I can do, chat. There's nothing I can do. Wardy caught me off guard, yeah, 100%. I made 600 tonight. I'll talk to you during New York. Good luck, brother. Yeah, catch you later, bro. GG's on the money you made. GG's. Dude, how do you manage work-life balance? I find myself on the screen all day. Cat. And bro, specifically, work-life balance does not exist if you want to be successful. You guys understand? I don't know. Well, you guys probably don't know this, but I wake up in the morning. First thing I do is jump on the computer, set the stream up, stream, and I go to the gym. That's my downtime, the gym. And I get back. The moment I'm back from the gym, I'm working, I'm creating content. I'm in the community typing away. I'm looking at the charts. And then in the evening, I'm editing, or I'm on calls, or I have coaching calls, or I have group calls, or I have business calls with companies. There's no work-life balance here, chat. There's absolutely no work-life balance. You gotta do what everyone else won't do, right? I know for a fact that no one in the... Oh, I don't want to say no one, but... Yeah, actually, I will. No one in the industry works as hard as me and will work as hard as me and as relentlessly as me. I know it. I know it for a fact. Because I love this career. I love this job. I love everything I do. I love creating content for you guys. I love trading. I love coming on stream with you lot and talking to you all and making friends with you all. Huge. So no, that is the balance for me. I don't need any time off. I don't need work-life balance. I don't need that. That's why we're gonna take over, right, chat? I mean, there are 9 green candles on the 1 hour. To get 10 green candles in a row is super rare, maybe even impossible, especially 1 hour candles. Nah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know this one's bearish, but not really. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we had a little retracement, continue upwards, right? Yeah, there could be a retracement, but at the same point, we can continue upwards as well. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But like, it is what it is. I don't really look at any of that stuff, you know? Like, it's not like, that's like the casino fallacy, isn't it? Like, oh, on roulette, it's been red 5 times in a row, so it must be black. But realistically, the probability is the same. You know? So many people see that, like, been red this amount of times, whatever. But yeah. Then they go on black, but it's still a 49% probability or whatever it is. I mean, there are not... wait, no, I just read that one. Bro, if it creates a bottom wick... if it flips and creates a bottom wick, would you take a trade? Nah. Nah, I wouldn't. Thanks, man, for the knowledge. Have a nice weekend, man. Yeah, Malenko, catch you in a bit. Not gonna lie, I don't like how gold is ranging on the smaller time frames. How is this? This is not ranging, my brother. This is This is not ranging. This is a push. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, etc., etc., etc. Not a range. 8.68% this month. This is my third profitable month. Finally, after all this time, I start being disciplined and profitable. Thank God and all DBS. I learn a lot. Good stuff, man. I'm proud. Well done. Well done. Well done. A big W. It's a trap for CPI. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Wait for news and direction. I mean, we have direction, right? Hey, what's good? My Wi-Fi going crazy. All good, Renko. How you doing, brother? How are you doing, man? Bob, you keep asking me about your AU position, bro. You gotta learn to manage the trades yourself. You gotta learn to manage them yourself. I'd probably, depending on where you're in from. You said you're in from down here, right? I'd probably be out of the position right now. But I mean, it doesn't look too bad, so I don't know. Bit jazz coming in here, crazy. Nah, I don't mean that in a rude way, bro, at all. I'm just saying, like, at some point you need to be able to do it yourself, so you may as well start and then learn from your mistakes. Apart from gold, what other pairs do you trade? Pretty much only gold at the minute, brother. Maybe gold just flips the daily like you imagine, then it sells. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, but we're not going to be in the... or we would hope to not be in still by news, you know? If we catch a trade, it's normally like 5 to 10 minutes max. But yeah, I wanted your perspective, brother. No, I know, it's all good. Stops below here is probably good. If your position's from down here, then just keep trailing it below the support. So, for example, the overall range right now is here, or you can put it here. Or even if you want, you can put it below the candle lows, but it's up to you, even below here. Cool, chat, if we do get a closure above this level now, and we get a decent bottom wick, then we can maybe look to take some in. We'll have to wait and see. I'm just pushing here, chat. Absolutely pushing. But there was no entry for us here, chat. Absolutely no entry. Like, there was nothing we could have done. Crazy. Smash that. We need a 100 pip pullback. What's good, Greedo? I don't know. We need whatever. Chat, can we get to 100 likes right now? That'd be incredible. That'd be really, really good. I'd appreciate it massively. We're growing very, very fast. I said as well, if we got to 2K by the end of April, I'll give away some funded accounts. I'll give away, I don't know, a shitload of funded accounts. So yeah, just tell your friends, tell your family, all that good stuff, and then hopefully you can get a giveaway. What's good, Hugh? Shalom. Good edgelord. Crazy. Cool. Yeah, chat. Also, if you didn't see, my podcast with ACG just came out. So if you haven't already, click the link in the pinned. Oh, actually, I'll send it in. Go and watch that after stream. That's my podcast. Go and drop a nice comment as well. Show some support. Show some love for the Trendlines community, for Team Trendlines. Let's put our name out there as an up and coming and, you know, big trading community. The more support you guys show, the more deals I'll be able to do with ACG for giveaways and all that sort of stuff. So it benefits you guys to go there and show some love. Victory sentence that spammed what? This guy spammed what? Yeah, I know, bro, I know. Cryptomaniac is crazy. Funny, yeah. Someone, I'm not gonna give him clout by saying their name, but someone posted like a jealousy comment under that thing, and then it got removed by, I think, by ACG. I'm not sure. And then they reposted it, you know, the same comment. How can you be that sad to have checked if your comment was still up and then reposted it? That's hilarious. What a loser. I'll definitely check out the videos and throw some likes on the tutorials. Yeah. Bro, yeah, you saw it. I know, it's so funny. You got a bit of backlash. The comment got deleted and then he reposted it. What a fucking idiot. I don't have time for that, chat. I can't check YouTube videos to see if, to be fair, I don't really comment on videos anyway, but if I did, I wouldn't have time to go back and check if my comment was still up. It's crazy. Yeah, it is, Crypto Maniac, it is. Is it still safe to enter buy on gold? Safe is an interesting term. I don't think it's ever safe, but we need to wait for some closures here. So we've got 15 minutes to the first 30 closure of this 4 hour. It's going to be difficult for us to take anything at the minute with this no bottom wick, because for all we know, it could be a liquidity grab. However, it could also be, you know, a continuation of this push, but we're going to have to wait and see. Because we did close back in the range, right? So realistically, we should fill this range on the 4. We have range all the way up until 23.57. I think we should fill that range first, but we're going to have to wait and see how we get closures and all that stuff. Yeah, I don't know, Spion. I don't know. It's what it is, man. It's what it is. Listen, I'm not paying any attention to it. You know, those people are, you know, they'll do what they want to do the whole time. So, yeah, minor. Absolutely minor. Chat, make sure you go comment on that video, though. Comment some support on the podcast. I would massively appreciate it. You know what we'll do? We'll do a 10k funded account giveaway. For the best comment under my ACG podcast. So the best support comment under that, I'll give you a 10k funded out of my own pocket. I'll pay for it. You guys better run it up. I better see shitloads of comments. I'll buy one of you a 10k funded for sure. You said podcast? Yeah, Bob. I just sent the link in, bro. There's the link to my podcast right there. Yeah, go leave a nice comment under it and enter yourself into the giveaway to get a funded. Yeah, I speak on it, bro. I always see you. Always first comment, bro. I appreciate it. Much love, man. Much love. Yeah, your support's crazy. All of your guys' support is. Let's see how we close here, chat. Let's see how we close. I do believe we can push up a little bit further if we get a decent closure on a bottom wick. So we'll try and take some in. But we'll have to see how everything closes. Like and shared on Facebook and X already. Jeez, bro. Appreciate it. You shared the podcast on X. That's crazy. Huge. Ha. Hilarious, chat. Yeah, are you on Twitter? Yeah, I am. Yeah, so do !X. You can get my Twitter. My Twitter is every single platform I'm on, chat, is at Trendlines, right? So my Twitter is at Trendlines, TikTok at Trendlines, YouTube and Instagram is all at Trendlines. So you know how to find me, right? Luckily, we managed to secure the name for every single platform. But yeah. Fire. 12 minutes till this next closure, chat. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Try and get to 100 likes before we get the closure. Well, why not? X is growing massively these days. Yeah, I know. I've been pumping out some tweets recently. We're starting to grow. We're starting to grow quite well on there. $11 minutes. 11 minutes. Definitely some potential here though, chat. We'll see how everything forms and all of that, but there's still some potential, so stay locked in. And yeah. We'll use stops below. A little bit tough. We'll see. We'll see how everything forms when it forms. Is the pod out? Yes, Ranko, it is. I sent the link in like a million times just now. But yeah. Is that the link? Wait, that takes you to it, right? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's out, Ranko, my boy. There you are. I just now followed you on X. GG's, bro. Thank you. GG's. 40 pips in profit. Well done, bro. Well done. GG's. Good trade. If it was in your plan, then good trade. If it was an impulse entry, then not good trade. Let's see though, chat. On the 30. The level's going to be looking at down here as well. Like the next level, let's say. On the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, the level we have currently, I believe, is fine. Yeah, it is. Okay. So if we take it on the 30, it'll be off this top level. If we take it on the 1, then it'll be this one below here. Any closures above there. We have to wait and see though, chat. Because this, for all we know, this could be a 4-hour top wick, right? You should add your info to your YouTube channel. On what? On Twitter? Is it not there? I thought it was in the links. Oh yeah, no, my links are there. Been a great week, right? Why impulse not good? It's been a great week, right? Why would an impulse ever be good? We don't take impulse entries, right? It's been a great week, right? Yeah, it has been a good week, man. Hopefully it has been for you too, Masharia. Hopefully. But yeah, chat, if you are new here, we stream every single day at 8:30 a.m. UK time. Drop a sub and all that stuff. I also have a free course that's out, so if you want to go and find that, just type !course. Completely free. And yeah, so much free value coming. I'm going to start posting 2 times a week on YouTube. I think we're going to do Mondays and Fridays, I think maybe, are going to be the days that I post on YouTube. Yeah, I think that sounds good. Something like that. But yeah, we're going to have a regular upload schedule from now on. So I'm going to be posting twice a week on YouTube. It's going to be very, very cool. I'm very looking forward to that. But yeah, essentially it's all going to be free value for you guys. I'm just trying to pump out as much education for you guys as I can for free. And yeah. Good afternoon, bro. You take any trades today? No, not today. Not today. SG top discipline. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. What you do for your community is amazing. We appreciate you, bro. Ah, thank you, bro. That means a lot. That means a lot. That really does mean a lot. I appreciate that. Looking at buying a funded? Yeah. If you think you're ready for one, then definitely do it. Get a funded from ACG. Use code SG. I think you get 35% off at the minute. It's crazy. And yeah. I'm on your YouTube. It says nothing about your links unless I'm half a brain. Oh yeah, maybe not on my YouTube actually. You're probably right. I need to connect my links there. I need to figure out how to do that. But yeah. Cool. No, you're right actually. You're right. But yeah, everything's at trend lines if you want to find me. Instagram is at trend lines. I think we're sat around 46k right now on Instagram, which is nice. Yeah, you might want. No, I will do, Bob. Don't worry. Thank you. Enlighten me on funded prop. You buy the account, you have to hit 8% to pass phase 1 and then 5% to pass phase 2. And then you get the live funded account where you can get payouts. Then, yeah, you have a maximum daily drawdown of 5% a day and a maximum overall drawdown of 10% a day. So if you breach those, then you lose the account. Yeah, that's how it works basically. It's pretty simple. Just an affordable one as I already blew the live on Don's loss. Ah, tough, bro. Tough. Yeah, you gotta exercise risk management. Yeah, I mean, an ACG with my code is, if you get a 10k account, is something like $70, I think. So it's not, it's affordable, definitely. Definitely affordable. Wait, no, it's less than that, isn't it? Isn't it like 40? Isn't it like $40 for a 10K? I think I got that wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me check real quick. Uh, 10K is looking at... Yeah, no, 10K, sorry, is $70 with my code. Yeah, yeah. You get 20% off with your code. That's nice, bro. Yeah, 20% off with code SG is pretty nice. Prop firm is Alpha Capital, bro. I just sent the link in, but I'll send it again. There you are. I took a buy down at 34, closed at 26 pips, and it pushed 170. It is what it is. Exactly, Josh, man. It is what it is. It's just, it's all part of the game, right? It's all part of the game. But you took your piece of the pie, right? That's all that matters. You took your piece of the pie. And yeah, you took a win, so GG's. GG's. Spion, I just saw your comment on. Bro, that's crazy. I rate that, bro. I appreciate it very, very much. That's funny, man. Appreciate that shit. Someone else commented, he benches 140 kilograms, so your opinion is invalid. And that's funny. But yeah, minor chat. We've focused on the positives over here, right? I appreciate all your guys' support. The support you guys have been giving is absolutely massive. So yeah, much love. Appreciate it very, very much. Still hold my buy on gold from 23.45. Hope we go up more. You don't want to be hoping in trading. You don't want to be greedy, you know? You don't want to be hoping, just, you know, manage risk off of where you think you should manage risk, right? If you think we can continue up because of price action, then hold it. If you don't, then don't, obviously. When did you start doing live trading here? February, I think. Yeah, February. February 20th, I think. Our first trade, at least, was February 20th on stream. So yeah, that was decent. And then yeah, since then, obviously, it's been a pretty good ride. I can't lie. We're sat at what? Every trade has been taken live, but we're sat at, well, on streams specifically is 8-0, 8 wins, 1 break even, 0 losses. In streams and signals, which are all taken live, obviously, then with 92% win rate, 30 wins, 3 losses. Yeah. In 2 months, bro, did you take 9 trades? What a discipline. Yeah, bro, on stream in 2 months, 9 trades. Crazy. Crazy, right? It's pretty insane, eh? That's a lot of discipline, bro. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. And obviously the main reason is because because London was a bit difficult for a long while. We didn't get much volume or any entries. But yeah, do you trade NY2? Yeah, the signals, I send signals in NY. I trade NY, to be honest. Most of my trades come in there. One of them was a 100 pip trade too. Yeah, chat, one of those 8 wins that you see on stream was a 100 pip trade, which was pretty crazy. So yeah. What do you think of Don's trade in the Asian session SG? He opened 4 times a 30 lot. I know he is every good trades, but is that not a little bit over risking? I'm not going to comment on other people's, you know, psychology or over risk or whatever it is. It's up to each trader, right? It's up to each trader. I personally wouldn't have done it, but he knows what he's doing, right? So I'm not going to comment. Good morning and good evening to the wonderful traders. May you all have an awesome day today. May you all earn and learn today. Wishing you all the best. W Creed, bro. Yeah, appreciate that. Creed always comes in here with the most wholesome messages. I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. Wait until market cycle changes and London gets more active. Yeah, trust me, we'll be running it up. To be fair, in what have we got? We got 3 trades this 3 trades on stream in the past week or past week and a bit. 2 trades on stream this week. So London seems to be picking up a little bit more. Chat, if we do start to flip here on the hourly and close below this level here at 23.46, I do believe we can come down and get some sells. That'll be taking advantage of the 4 hour making a bottom wick too, which would be nice. Be real nice. So we can try and take advantage of that too. That's definitely a position that we can, we've got in our locker, you know. What time is New York for you? 1:30. The NYSE opens at 2:30. But yeah, so basically 1:30 is NY open, I think. GG's for the chat. Yeah, run it up. Let's try and get to 125 likes. There's a lot of you in here right now, which I appreciate. Try to run up the likes. It really does boost us, right? And obviously, as the community grows, we can provide more for you guys. I can do more giveaways and all that stuff. So yeah, let's boost the community. Get some likes going up, and yeah, be sick. Be sick. My end goal for you guys is to be able to give guys, like, you know, give you guys a lot of stuff, you know, free giveaways, all that stuff, and also have you guys come in as traders that, you know, we can start a fund maybe or something like that, you know, Trendlines hedge fund. That'd be incredible. But one day we're all going to be good enough traders to be able to do that, and yeah, we'll move to a country together, whatever it is. We'll set up like a trading compound, and we'll start up a trading floor. That'd be sick. Yeah, George, I don't know, bro. I don't want to comment on, as I said earlier, right? I don't have time or the energy to talk about other traders in the industry right now. I'm focused on us, on me, all that stuff. We just stay locked in, and we focus on ourselves and our trading. I don't care about any other traders. Don't care about, you know, any beef, whatever it is. But yeah. Hey bro, I made $20 from a $30 yesterday. Just learned the way you think and trade's been smooth. Thanks, G. Hey, let's go, Frank. Let's go, bro. Appreciate that. It means a lot. I'm glad that you're doing well. Spain is great to live and work from. Yeah, I bet it is. I heard that it's actually quite good. I'm looking at a lot of different countries at the minute. I've got Cyprus in mind for a company. Cyprus is a bit of a tax haven, and the weather's nice. Gibraltar too. I don't know. We'll see. A lot of potential there, chat. Or we move to somewhere like Bali or, you know, Dubai or Thailand or somewhere like that, and get a mega villa, and we just all live in it and trade and go to the gym, and that type of shit. That's the goal, you know. That's the goal. Buy a Greek island. Crazy. That's not a bad idea, actually. It's not a bad idea. Chat, how much is a Greek island? Tell me. How much does the earth cost? I'm gonna buy the earth. Sometimes quiet in the chat, but love the streams, bro. Hey, let's go, FX Viking. Nah, all good. All good, man. I appreciate that, and I appreciate you coming in to say that. Appreciate it. This may be the live stream with the most positive, wholesome, and supportive comment section and participants. Well done, bro. Hey, let's go. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you, man. I agree with you, 100%. My goal is no gym, eat pizza all day. That's crazy. That can't be your goal. You gotta stay healthy. Thank you, though, Dr. Malik. That's a really nice message, man. Appreciate it. Nice. Road to Dubai. Yeah, you're right. Chat, there's 26 minutes into this closure. If we close above, we'll look at taking the buys. If we don't, we'll look at taking, well, nothing. If we close below 23.46, then we can take some sells to continue down with the 4 hour flip. But yeah, other than that, we'll wait and see, right? If we don't close on this 1 hour, it might end up being pixel letters time, but we'll have to wait and see. Gonna go hit a filthy leg day today, chat. What are you all training? What are you all training? Or I'll maybe coming down for the bottom wick. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I tried to ask about EU, but wait, what? You did ask about EU, no? And I answered. What? I answered 100%. Arms and shoulders today for me. Good stuff, man. GG's. That's gonna be sick. Go kill that. Oh, did you ask what we train? Nah, training, like in the gym. My bad, Bob. Yeah, my bad. Fast foods affects your brain. Don't eat pizza. Unless you're in Italy and it's home and it's like, you know, restaurant pizza, then you can eat that. That shit's fire. Fun fact, chat. And since I came back from Italy, like obviously I lived there for like 4 or 5 months or whatever, and I go there quite often. But since I came back from there, I never ate pizza in the UK. Never. Apart from like maybe a homemade pizza that like I made with my girl, but I never like ordered pizza or got pizza from somewhere else because it just doesn't compare. Does not compare. Doc's watching Forex stream, yeah, 100%. Training the third leg, that's crazy, XYZ, that's absolutely crazy. My fault. No, all good, bro, all good, don't worry. XYZ always talking sus, man. Yeah, bro, you always come in here, XYZ, talking suspect stuff. Every single day. Crazy. It's crazy. Chest and triceps, good shit, Guido. Or Guido, I don't know how to pronounce that. Gotta love it. Do you? Do you though? Third leg training is hard, bro. Crazy. Chat, drop a like already for the knowledge, and then halfway through just a random period of susness in chat. That's crazy. There's an island in Fiji for 3.2 mil. Bro, one of my boys just went to Fiji, and it looks incredible. So, are we pulling up or what, chat? What's the plan? I'll pull up to Fiji. Imagine Tren Island, you know. We own an island. Yeah, we chipping in for an island then together. Should I do a GoFundMe? Friendlines Island. And we can all just we'll move there, build a shitload of houses, and then like villas, and then yeah. Cryptomaniac, send it to me. I'll send it in the Discord. I want to see what it looks like. Friendland, yeah. Now what should we call it, chat? We could call it yeah, Trendland I suppose is the best one. The weather there is beautiful. Was there last month, bro. I've always dreamed about going to Fiji. It's one of my like bucket list countries, even since I was a kid. In Fiji, the internet connection is very choppy, mind. We'll get Starlink. Starlink, yeah, we'll get that. Crypto, send me this island, please. I'm interested. I want to know what this looks like. How much does the Earth cost? All the chat. So we got 22 minutes to this closure. We'll look and see if we can take something on the close. If we close above this level, if we don't, then it's going to be a little bit tough, right? So we'll wait and see. Definitely still potential here today, chat. So lock it in a little bit. Let's lock it in. And yeah. Hey, yo, is this the island? No, wait. Oh, that's 23 milli. 23 mil? Chat, what are we saying? Are we buying an island? This island here is 23 mil. It's got a tennis court, houses, boats. Bro, chat. Still, as a European, you'll feel pretty isolated. Nah, not if we have like 50 of us. We chilling. Or, you know, 175 since we're on stream. Nanukulevu Island, Fiji, 3.2 mil. Yeah, that looks beautiful, chat. It's got its own little ecosystem, the sea and everything. Build a little compound, wow. Put a gaff on there. Personal hideaways, you know. This one's 3.2 mil dollars, chat. This one was 23 mil, and it looks massive. I can't lie. It's absolutely massive. Crazy. Someone lives here, chat. That's ridiculous. Anyway, that's unreal. Bro, icy markets is good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's okay. Okay. Do exclamation mark broker, and we'll go there. Let's go SG community on trip. Yeah, we'll go there for sure. We'll go there. We'll go there. Why not? Good shit, chat. That'll be so fun. Let's run it up. That gets some crazy publicity too as well. Forex streamer buys island with community. All over the news. Put it everywhere. Then we'll see if the jealousy creeps in. Not ridiculous, lol, it's a dream. Yeah, true. It's actually very possible, you know. Very possible. Yeah. Crazy though, chat. Crazy. But anyway, in terms of trading, we have 19 minutes left for this closure. 15 seems to be doing a little bit of a fake out here. We grabbed the top wick, so we might continue to push down here. And yeah, we'll see if we can close below this 23.46 level, then we'll take some sells for the bottom wick on the 4 hour. But if we don't, if we close in this range, then I might have to call it a day at 11. And obviously if we close above, we'll look for the buys. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see. There won't be any high society hook. Crazy. Crazy. I started reading that out and I saw it. Unreal. Unreal, chat. That's ridiculous. How do you find areas in which you want candles to tap first? Yeah, it's a good question. So we look at areas of liquidity. So for example, where was I looking? I was looking on the 1 hour, I think. Was it the 4? I want to give you a good example. Right, let's look at the 1. Yeah, so for example, you know, you can look at areas where we've tapped before coming up in the past. So if we're trying to look at, you know, last time we came into this level, we tapped up here before we came up. But if we're looking at, you know, where we needed to tap before pushing up when we closed above the range, I mean, this one came all the way down. I feel like that's a news candle. It's a bit ridiculous. But I mean, this area is not bad for liquidity. This area too, obviously, is similar. You know, you look at areas where previous liquidity has been grabbed. Now, it's a little bit difficult on gold at the moment because there's not that much price history, you know. There's not that much history on the data. But what I would say at the minute, realistically, is, yeah, this area, and this area, and this area is around average, you know, the average area where we grab liquidity. So because of that, what you can do then is you can average it out and put a line somewhere around here. And you can say that, you know, that's the level that we need to come into before grabbing liquidity. So you just look to the left and see the area where it's previously tapped. And yeah, that's what I'd say. Hopefully that makes sense, Patty. Hopefully that answers your question. But yeah, leave a like for the education chat. Try to get to I want to get to 125 likes today. That'd be nice. Real nice. So the 30-minute is flipped here, which is interesting. Can the 30-minute lead down until the 1 hour flip here? Maybe. But yeah, this looks very clean, like a liquidity grab, I can't lie. Looks like a decent liquidity grab. And we have rejected at this from this area in the past too, so we rejected right here. Put this level on here. It's a very similar move. It's a very similar move on the 1 hour. 4 hour flip looking juicy too. Yeah, I don't think I can take the 4 hour flip like itself. The 4 hour flip is just an extra confluence for us, but I can't take that on its own, just because obviously we're still quite in a heavy bullish trend, right? So yeah, I can't just take that. But If we do get the closures, then I'll be able to take that for sure. But you understand why, right? For example, the 4-hour flip right now, we're in a very bullish uptrend. Obviously, it should come down and grab a bottom wick for sure, but realistically, it could flip, grab a small bottom wick, and then continue in this uptrend. So it's just not the trade for me, especially since it was still range 1. But yeah. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, chat. The bottom wick, we're out. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we can take advantage of this bottom wick. Realistically, I'd like the closure below 23.46, so take that trade. If not, I suppose the 30-minute onion's not too bad. We'll have to see though, chat. We'll have to see. Stops on that would be crazy, I think. Stops would be very small. 20 pip stops, chat. Just use 2 server boosts on your Discord server. You deserve it. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go, man. I massively appreciate that. That's huge. Thank you very, very much, man. Did we unlock a new level? Oh no, we're 2 more boosts off unlocking a new level. So when we get to level 2, I can do custom role icons. That's crazy. Server banner. Oh, nice. But yeah, bro. Thank you very much for that. I massively appreciate that. Cool. Can you check WTI? What's WTI? Is that crypto or something? Oh, crude oil. My bad. Interesting. I don't trade this, bro, so I don't have a clue how it moves or anything, but I mean, it seems to be bullish. There's a rejection level at this exactly where we are now, though, and you seem to reject just there, so I'm not sure. Obviously, if this 1 hour starts to flip down, then you're looking pretty bearish. But I don't know, bro. I don't trade it, so I can't particularly say anything specifically. Oil's crazy there. It's pretty volatile, right? I'm pretty sure. So yeah, be careful on that one. Be careful on that one for sure. But yeah, cool chat. So we've got 14 minutes now to this close. If we grab something, decent, we'll take it. The 1 hour and 4 hours looking like it might start to flip here. Yeah, no, it's oil. I know, crude oil. Yeah. Well, I said that. But yeah, thank you, Chillgon, and that means a lot for the boosts. Yeah, cool. Let's see what happens here, though, chat. Definitely a lot of potential, so stay locked in. This is not time to dip off right now. Time for us to lock it in, see if we can grab that trade at 11. If it doesn't come at 11, we'll play our favorite game, call it a day, and yeah, that'll be it. Whoa. Got my phone right now. What, did I hear pixelize? Hey, not yet. Getting too excited. Or I was looking to flip here, I think, chat. Crazy. Buy again now. Would you buy when you see this candle like this, bro? Would you buy? I don't know. Chat, give me 2 minutes. I'm going to be back in literally 10 seconds. I just need to go get a drink. What's good, chat? We're back. What's good? We back. Cool. So, did the 4 hour flip? No, it didn't. It came closer. It came close, which is interesting. Like 2 pips off flipping. That's crazy. But yeah, Renato, don't Or if you did that, then... Bro, wait, what? 46. Bro, no signals, yeah? Mods, if you see a signal, just get it, like, remove it, please. Cool, chat. 10 minutes this closure left. Very high potential for us to get a trade right now, so lock it in a little bit. If it doesn't form exactly how I want it to, then we won't take it. Obviously, it is Friday. You don't want to take an impulse trade or a trade that's breaking your rules at the end of the week, and then, you know, you end up taking that L, and you'll be so pissed off the entire weekend. So you don't want to do that. So just, you know, stay locked in, stay disciplined, and yeah, we'll do it. SG, can you explain why you have a level at 23.46? I have my level at 23.48. We base this off the 1 hour level here. The 30-minute level would probably be at 23.48 up here, or 23.49 actually. But my level on the 30-minute is essentially closing back into, sorry, on the 1 hour is essentially closing back into this range up here above 23.49. Wait, what? Oh, this level, my bad. Completely misread what you said there. My bad. Bro, I'm sorry. Apologies about that. Yeah, I read it wrong. So yeah, closing back into this level here, into this range below 23.46. I believe it's also on the 30. Let me see. Yeah, it's just a rejection level here, and once we close back into that range, we should be good to fill it down. I've seen multiple times us reject here and continue to push down. But yeah, 23. What did you say yours was? 23.48 is valid too, I believe. It's just I want a bit more of a confirmation, you know. For sales, at least, that is. It's safe to long gold now. I don't know. No, bro. Not yet. We need closures. Listen to what I'm explaining, right? And then you'll understand properly. May add pink salt to your water a little bit 2 hours before going to the gym. Yeah, I do that. I take electrolytes as well, bro. But yeah, pink salt is banging. Himalayan salt. Or even Celtic salt. Celtic salt's good too. Effects, yeah, something similar like creatine. Yeah, no, definitely good. SG, give Wi-Fi signals. What's Wi-Fi signals? Last week I woke up around this time and gold was down damn near 43 lol. Yeah, crazy. I think I go for sell when the 4 hour flips. Do that if you want, Baron. Do that if you want, my boy. Personally, if we close in this range like this just now, there's not much I can do. There's not much I can do realistically. We need to either flip or close above. Either flip or close above, and then we can get a position, chat. So stay locked in. Let's see. Yeah. Thanks again for the trade today. I entered 23.46 and closed the trade at 23.52 in profit. Thanks, Trent. Bro, good stuff, man. GG's. Nice little dub there. Well done. Well done, well done. But it was your trade, not me. Don't thank me. You took it. I didn't even take that trade. So yeah, GG's, bro. GG's. Cool, chat. We're pushing up here, though. We seem to be rejecting off this level here. If we can close above on the 30 as well, it's a bit of an onion play. Not an onion play, apologies. An onion play on the 15 is what I was trying to say. On the 30, it's just going to be a breakout, obviously. Hopefully people see you scroll left and understand how you're seeing the market. Yeah, I do try to explain that, right? So essentially we scroll left a lot to look at previous areas. We look for mirrors in price, all that good stuff. For example, this mirror here is interesting. This is also the 4 hour close. And we did the exact same push, which is interesting. But yeah, no, you're right, bro. Good point. Yeah, essentially we have to look for the mirrors. 1 hour close is coming in. How long? 6 minutes here, chat, to this closure. This closure is key for me. It's either going to be this closure that we get a trade, or it's realistically going to be New York session. So we'll see how it goes in 6 minutes right here. If I do get the trade in New York session chat, I'll send it into the Signals group. So if you are in that, then obviously stay tuned. If you want to join it, it's basically $34 a month. Pretty affordable, but yeah, obviously don't feel like you have to at all. Completely optional. And yeah. What's an onion play? Good question. Go to, if you want to understand what an onion play is, go to the most recent episode of my free course. After stream, go check that out. It's, essentially, you know, you're catching the pullback in a continuation trend. So yeah, that's essentially what it is. But it's a good play. It's a good play. Yeah, also chat, another thing to go check out after stream, just while I've got a lot of you in here, go and show some love to my podcast that just came out on ACG's channel. Go and leave a like and a comment on that. I'm giving away a $10,000 funded account to the best comment underneath that post by the end of next week. So you drop a comment under there, and whichever the best comment is, or whichever comment I like the most, I'll give you a 10k funded account completely for free. A podcast, bro? Yeah. No. So Alpha Capital Group got me on their podcast. It came out, you know, yesterday. Sorry. Go and drop a comment on there. Run it up. Should be good. Should be good. It's a pretty good podcast, I'm not gonna lie. I like the education behind it and all that stuff. I'm happy with how it went. I have a question. What is a quid? A quid is a British slang for a pound, right? 10 quid, 20 quid. Just means like a pound. So, not the weight pound. I know you're American. Like pound sterling, GBP, right? Where comments, I will comment without taking greed of 10k funded. No, that's not greed, bro. I'll enter you in 100%. Hi, I'm new to your channel. How often do you live stream? Welcome, Carl Joe. Welcome. Welcome to the community. I stream every single day, 8:30 a.m. So Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. UK time. We're live. So yeah, we stream every single time London session until, well, basically nearly into New York session. But yeah, it's pretty good. The education's free, obviously, free value every single day. And yeah, join the Discord if you're new. That's where the real community is at. The real community is in the Discord. You can obviously chat to people, make friends, all that good stuff, network, and level up your trading together. So yeah. Why trend lines? Are you on trend? Nah, I'm not on trend. But obviously it's related to the gym, and I trade and go to the gym. And then trend lines with a D is obviously like the word for trading. It's a strategy in trading, and then I just took out I used trend and lines. Yeah, I don't know. It's actually someone else who gave me the name, but yeah. Is there a signal is there a signal 5 days a week in your private group? How many times a day do you trade? I think on average, I think I worked it out one time. Now this might be wrong, but on average it's like 4 times a week a signal. So yeah. So it's pretty much every day actually. Nowadays it's pretty much every day because I send them automatically now whenever I take a trade. But yeah, I trade New York session in the signals group as well. So you'll get all the signals from New York, or all my trades from New York essentially. What I'm doing now, chat, though, is every single trade. So on my main account, every single trade that I take is linked to my main account. So if I take a trade, you get the trade in signals, and there's never an opportunity for me to take a trade that isn't then sent to signals, if you know what I mean. So that's just another level of social proof, you know. He is on trend. I've seen him shoot up in the gym locker rooms. Crazy. Is your podcast not yet uploaded? Yeah, Faisal, it's just there, bro. Click on it. Click on it. Oh shit. Maybe it's not up anymore. That's weird. Maybe it's not down. I don't know. That's weird. Anyway, chat, is what it is. Minor. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh well. I don't know why. I'll figure it out. That's weird. How do you do that, bro? Which software do you use for that, for your trade that goes into signals? It's undisclosed. I'm not leaking the secret source. I don't know. I've got no clue, to be honest. I've got absolutely no clue. Is what it is, man. I'm sure it'll be back up. We'll see. Yeah, okay, no issue, bro. Yeah, minor. Minor. Who cares, man? Too much value. Yeah, 100%. Too much free value. Cool, chat. No, it is what it is. We've got 1 minute here to this closure. Let's see what happens. Can we close above here? If we can close above, that would be really nice. If not, then I might have to call it a day. Lower trend lines, buy or sell. Yeah. Nothing at the minute, chat. Nothing at the minute. But no, nice. So yeah, subscribe if you're new, chat. 50 seconds to this closure. Let's lock it in. Growth has been crazy recently, I can't lie. The growth has been absolutely crazy. We're nearly at 1.9k subs. Halfway there. So yeah. Yeah, let's try to get 125 likes, chat. That'd be huge. That'd be absolutely huge. No, I respect your values and privacy, bro. No, all good. It's alright. I'm just, I don't know. I think it's separate. I think it makes the signals way better. So, it's just a plugin, to be honest. But I don't want other people to. Well, no, they can use it. I don't care. But I don't know. It's like a differentiating factor we have in our signals. We're gonna close above here, chat. No, we close right at the level. Tough. Yeah, that's a little bit difficult for me, chat. I can't lie. What we'll do here, chat, is we will what are we gonna do? We're gonna play some pixel letters right now. I'm gonna call it here, I think. If I do get a trade, it will be sent into the group in the Discord. But it is Friday, so I'm not gonna try and force anything too much. We have 210 people in here right now. All of you, I love you very much. I appreciate you all very much. The crazy community we've got going here, the least toxic community out there. Very happy about it, and I think people are starting to clock onto that. That's why there might be a little bit of backlash at sometimes, but I think people are starting to clock on of how fast we're growing. Yeah, XYZ, yeah, I am. But yeah, let's play some pixel letters right now, chat. If you're not familiar with the game, it's the game we play at the end of every single stream just to wind down, just for a bit of fun as well. But yeah, join the Discord if you haven't already. Join the Discord. So much free value in there, and yeah, stay tuned for the next episode of the free course coming out and the day in the life videos that I've got coming. If you are going to leave now because you don't want to play the game, that's completely fine, but make sure you drop a like before you get out. On your way out, just click a little button. It's just like anything else, right? But yeah, click the like button if you haven't already. Other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you all in a bit. I'll not catch you all in a bit. What am I saying? We're going to play pixel letters. We're going to play pixel letters. My bad. I don't know, I start on the outro there. I got in it's such a habit already. I'm going to start the outro. Wind down pixel letters is the most intense part. Yeah, 100%. Tommy Zhang, appreciate you, bro. Big dubs. Oh, that's crazy, chat. That's crazy. So if you don't know how the game works, chat, it's basically Wordle, but it tells you where the pixels from that letter are. So for example, we have all the green pixels. So there's a pixel in every one of these spaces right now. Which makes it interesting, right? That makes it interesting. I don't know what the word is. Josh has gone with tired. Off the bat, that's a good ass guess. Tired. Oh. Thank you, Trendlines. Thank you, chat. I appreciate the lack of toxicity here. I wish I was up at 3:30 every day. Yeah, bro. I wish you were too. You should pull up for sure. But yeah. Nah, that means a lot, man. That means a lot. So much positive vibes out here right now. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Cool, chat. Tight. Who guessed that? I just guessed it without even whilst I was talking. GG's, Crypto Maniac. GG's. That's a good guess from you. Okay, cool. In this next one, chat, the letters are going to come from the bottom to the top, and these two, left to right, bottom to top. Or top to bottom. Apologies. See what we got here, though. We start with beans every time, because one day it could be beans. That's why. Pretty simple. And because Eugene likes beans. All right, we're looking at, what are we looking at here? T to start, I reckon. H, O. Thoughts? Crazy. Might not be that, actually. I don't know. That was just a guess. It's gone for a while, but no trade today. Yeah, no trade today, unfortunately. We didn't get the setup that we wanted, but that's okay. It's okay. It's Friday. It's a winning week for us so far. The 100% streak continues. So, yeah, no trade, but I'm not going to force anything. If I get something later, it'll be in the signals group. Trend? It can't be trend. It could be TRO something. Pixel? No, it can't be that. So, essentially, how it works is there's no pixels from these letters here, and there is a green one here. So, we have realistically a T, I think, because there's none of them in there. Strong mentality you got. See you Monday, mate. Yeah, see you on Monday, my boy. See you on Monday. Thank you. Why couldn't it be trend then? TR, because the E has a pixel from this space here, but there's not one here. You know what I mean? But yeah, and then there's no N in this space, but yards. It can't be an R here. That was a good guess there, I can't lie. Thong. We'll guess it. It can't be that because there's an N here, but I want to see if... Okay, so I was completely wrong. Wow. So yeah, it could be YA... Trout? No, it can't be that. YA... C? Oh! Good douche! Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Hit you guys with the gadoosh there. Cool. Last one, chat. Last one, and we'll call it a day. This one's a little bit more difficult because it only gives you one row at a time. Thoughts and thong is crazy. Yeah, that is a little bit crazy, I can't lie. But if you're Australian, thongs is flip-flops, so we'll just count it as that. We'll just count it as that. Interesting here, chat. What could this one be? What could we be looking at here? We could be looking at a P, maybe? So the game is a thought exercise. Yeah, essentially it's just a little bit of a brain game. I don't know, it's a bit fun as well. And it's just something we do at the end of the stream to just unwind, you know what I mean? Just a nice little way to round off the stream rather than just hopping straight off. Yeah, chat, nothing we could do here anyway. What are we looking at here? I don't know what the word is. Someone help me, chat. A G O. A gong. I resigned the firm, by the way. What does that mean, bro? X. It could be an X. I resigned from ACG. Who's done with it? I don't know what the word is here, chat. I can't even lie. It could be a P at the start. It could be a A. It could be a F. Oh, it could be an F. Oh. I think you meant you registered. Oh, yeah, nice, Mashara. Nice, good stuff. Lots? It can't be that. The pixels here don't really work. It could be FA. Can't be an S at the end. I was thinking about that. It could be FA. I don't even know what this could be, chat. I'm running out of ideas. Might have to do a little filler guess here, but we've only got 4 guesses. This is difficult, chat. This is really actually quite difficult. This is the first one we've had actual difficulty, I think. Round. That's a good ass guess, Crypto Maniac. Pound. Good guess. It's got to be pound, right? Oh yeah, it could be pound or found. Or it could even be mound. Or it could even be hound. Could be any of these. I've got an idea. I'm gonna guess hound. And the reason for it is that then we can rule out whether there's something in this space or not. And we can rule out whether it's an F. Oh, that didn't help us. Oh, it did help us. That did help us. Okay, that did help us. So it's either pound or found. Can't be sound. Chat, it's a 50-50 here between pound and found. I'm gonna put a poll up. This is really important stuff, chat. We've never lost a game of pixel letters. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to guess, and then we'll guess it. It's too much stress on my hands. Can't lie. Hey, what are the arrows though? The arrows are like where it comes. So like for example, you see that we got the bottom layer first, then we got the second bottom layer, then we got the third. So it comes from the top to the bottom to the top. This one came from the top to the bottom. This one came from the left to the right. I said pound first. 50-50, chat. Can't be bound. Either going to be found or pound. This is very tense. We literally have a 50-50 chance, I think. Is there any other words we're missing out on? No, that's it. What about loud? No, it's got to be 5 letters, bro. Found. This is intense. This is intense. Oh, chat. Oh. If you lot are new here, you lot are gonna be like, why is he so serious? I'm actually just joking about, but we do take this game kind of serious. I can't lie. Like, we've got a crazy streak, 100% win streak on all the other games. And on these ones, we did like wait, how do I get out of this shit? On these ones, we did like 100% of all of them, pretty much. You okay there, bro? Devastated. Yeah, no, it's game over. I'm resigning from streaming, my boys. Nah, I'm joking, but yeah, good shit. Oh well, chat is what it is, right? Can't win them all. Can't win them all. Streak will come to the end, to an end eventually. On these ones, we got 16 games played and we got 100% win streak, so it's okay. What we'll do now, chat, is we'll just forget about the last game and we will never play that one again, and we'll pretend that this never happened. Okay? You got me tight, lol. I might have to play it. Yeah, nah, it's actually quite good. Can't lie. See, chat. See why we didn't take these buys just now? Exactly that. That's exactly why. Alright, chat, cool. Appreciate your support very, very much. That's going to be it for the end of today. Huge stream today. Appreciate all the support you guys give. Hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of it and it was educational. I know we didn't get a trade, but I teach discipline and I preach, you know, psychology and discipline and all that stuff. And if I took a trade when there wasn't an opportunity, well, then what would I be doing, right? But yeah, other than that, guys, if you're going to trade the rest of the session today, then be responsible. Remember, it's Friday, so you know, if you don't get a trade, don't worry about it. Other than that, guys, catch you all in a little bit. Peace out, much love, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.